guys, my name is Yana and I'm making this video today for my friend Gerald Armstrong. Today I had a great day and my friends and I went to play paintball. Paintball is a game in which players compete in teams or individually to eliminate opponents by attacking them with capsules containing water-soluble dye and gelatin shell outside propelled from a device called a paintball marker. And this is the funnest game I've ever played, and I was very glad to see all my friends. But today I should tell you about Dive Shop. If you've got questions or feedback, leave us a comment here in our YouTube channel, or better yet, please visit our website at http://divinggearandequipment.com. So, when researching where to take a scuba diving class and where to get scuba diving equipment, the non-diver may not know what to look for in a good dive shop. Most scuba diving training is carried out in association with dive shops. Even if you take a private scuba diving lessons from an independent diving instructor, it is likely that you will be visiting a dive shop that your diving instructor works with. The dive shop is an important part of your future as a scuba diver. You will be visiting your local dive shop when it is time to purchase scuba equipment. The dive shop is also a place where you will often be going to get your tanks filled. The more you dive, the more air refills you will need. This keeps a steady rapport between you and the dive shop. The dive shop employees should spend some time explaining the programs, benefits, and services they have to offer. When choosing a dive shop, it is essential to take into consideration a number of factors such as customer service and equipment quality, since choosing a good dive shop is the first step towards your certification and your continued diving experience. So thanks so much for watching my video. Please remember that we've got a lot more content on our website at http://divinggearandequipment.com. And I honestly look forward to seeing you soon, answering all your questions, and appreciate any feedback you can give me. So have a good day, enjoy your life, more smile, be happy. I love you all guys so much. See you soon.